Speaking practice for the present continuous. Listen to the sentence, then pause the video and repeat after me. Think about the structure we studied. Train your brain to master the present continuous. Let's get started. Please turn down that music. I'm working. Hello, is Simon there? Yes, but he's taking a shower. I'll tell him to call you back. Sarah is having so much fun in Thailand. She's relaxing on a beautiful beach right now, soaking up the sun. Your baby is growing up so quickly. Is she doing well at kindergarten? Are you watching the new series of Game of Thrones? It's so exciting. What a beautiful day! The weather is getting better and better. Look at that lion. It's eating a huge lump of meat. Come on, it's getting late. We should go home now. Come on, Paul. We're going to the bar to watch the football match. Ouch! Sally, you're standing on my foot. The world's population is increasing and will probably continue to rise for the next century. Unfortunately, you can't see the crocodile today. It's sleeping and is hidden away from view. Well done, Tommy. You're working very hard today. Keep up the good work. Nick was sick all weekend. He isn't feeling better today, so he won't be able to come to the party. I'm not dating Dan anymore. We broke up last month. I'm taking a course on childcare. I go to college in the evenings to study. What's Anthony doing? He's watching TV in his bedroom. Gemma had to go home early. She's not feeling too good after eating that spicy food.